Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll tell you how you can enable the Apple Intelligence or Siri into your iPhone, as it is a new feature, Apple Intelligence in iOS 18.4. If you are using any previous version, I think you should update it, and it is one of the greatest feature iPhone has enabled it. So what you need to do is just go to your settings, and after going to settings you need to swipe up and you see that there is an option here now, Apple Intelligence and Siri. This option, just tap on it. Now after tapping on it, you see that you need to enable the Apple Intelligence option, just like by clicking at this, and go to if you want to enable the Siri, just tap on talk and type to Siri. And as you see that to access the Siri, you need to enable it to Hey Siri, or you want wherever you want to do it. There's some functions for Siri. Okay, so Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get direction home. Hey Siri, play some music. So that's how you can actually enable your Siri into your iPhone in iPhone 16 Pro Max, 16, or in iOS 18.4. I hope this video is helpful to you, and now to access the Siri, you just need to say, Hey Siri, Hey Siri, Hey Siri. You see that it's started working and it is actually responding to whatever I'm saying. So that's how you can enable the Hey Siri or Apple Intelligence. I hope you get it, and this video is helpful for you to use your phone to maximum limit. Bye bye.